Oh yeah. I don't know what today is. I think it's the 18th of April. And that's how much I have done on my making new friends. So, yay. I love it. I love just the monotony of not having to change colors. I love it so much. I did break it up a little bit here and there. So I could just, there would be shorter back and forths and longer back and forths and then super long back and forths. So I could pick and choose how much I wanted to stitch at any given time or with the amount of thread that I had left on a needle. So that's how I did that, just in case it got monotonous, which it never did. But that's fun. That's fun. It's going places. So that's exciting. Okay, bye. I can't stand it anymore. I've made a lot of things in the past few months. So now it is time to go back to my cross stitch. So I am picking up this. The Girl in the Graveyard. Let's see. Friends. Making new friends. So, yeah. Under social skills. This is how far I've gotten. That is a lot. That is a lot. Each square, for those who don't cross stitch, each square is 100 stitches. So, yeah. So 10 by 10, 100, so on and so forth. So I'm going to keep going, and this is all blocks. There is very little, like that is all confetti, but the rest of it is pretty good. Like blocks and blocks of beautiful. This is all blue. Blue, 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 blue. And yeah, it's still pretty blocky down here too. I love this because I can just crochet. I can just stitch and not have to think about anything. Oh, I have to remember to stitch the rest of these. Interesting. So that means I actually start over here. Wonder why I stopped right there. Why didn't I just complete it? Maybe I ran out of time. What the heck? And I missed one? Or is that a different color? Did I miss one? Or is that just weird? I think that's just weird. So if that's just weird, that's the beginning or the end of something. Yep, it is the beginning or the end of something. Okay, I gotta fix it. That's gonna drive me nuts. Maybe the full cross when I come back, we'll fix it. Okay. Yeah, I love this so much. Okay, bye. Good day, good day. I am filming an update on my ghost friends, meet new friends. I don't know what it's called. Okay. I work on this a lot. It is probably my all-time favorite cross stitch in the whole wide world. So that is why I have done that much on it so far. Oh my gosh, it is so awesome. I love the color blocking, and I mean, I'm not I'm probably like 4% done. But I'm getting in there. I'm getting to the background of the trees, of the tree. And yeah, I love it. I love it. I cannot find any more Stephen Rhodes cross stitch on any of the sites, so I don't know if a Stephen Rhodes fan just wanted one done, or I don't know how they get these, but I love it so much. It fills my heart with joy every time I work on it. So that is how much I have on that. Update number 2. Halloween at Hawk Run Hollow. Block number 1. If you remember correctly, block number 1 is that one right there. And it is, I think it's 92 stitches by 92 stitches. So this is what I have so far. That's it. I just did the border. I love borders. I absolutely adore borders. So if there was a way that I could swap with someone who hates to do borders and I love to do borders, and they love confetti, like swapping out confetti for borders, I would do it in a heartbeat. But yeah, I love it. I love it. I am so excited about I do have an actual sponsored video. I don't know what to call them. One Day Savings is sending me, they're sending me a cross stitch to review. So I guess it's called a review video. I have 2 of those coming up. The first one will be reviewing the actual kit, and then the second one, because they asked me to do 2, it's my first video with them, so I will try doing 2. So the second one, I'm gonna do like I'll work on it for like 12 hours and do maybe a time lapse or something, or a WIP and chat. I don't know, but it should be here any day now. So that's what I have coming up for One Day Savings. I love that they reached out to me. I'm very excited about doing this. And my third active cross stitch that I have going is Scaredy Cat. This is how much I have done so far. We're only going to pay attention to the cat and the circle. So anywhere from here to here, I will be doing all of that. So all of this down here, no, I'm not doing that. And I'm going to be ripping out that disaster up there. Look at that. That's supposed to say featuring, and you can't read it. So I'm not doing the rest of that. But I will do the cat. I love Scaredy Cat. So he will look like that when I'm done, and I will turn him into a project bag. And that's my plan for that. Okay, well, that is, uh-oh, look at that. Look at that. These little legs right here. Huh? What's going on over here? What's going on? Oh, he said, don't look at me. Okay. It is September 11th, 2024. And it is so smoky out from the California fires that we cannot see our mountains. We're in a valley and the mountains are gone all the way around and I live at the edge of the city. I live close to, actually, you've seen the mountain here a billion times, because right over there is a big giant mountain and you can't see it. Am I wrong? Am I perceiving that there
should be a mountain there, and I know there's a mountain there, but I can't remember if you're supposed to be able to see it or not. I guess I'll put in pictures of my drive home from, just 2 pictures. My drive home from the gym. I face that giant mountain there, and you cannot see it. You have to zoom in to see it. And it's a big, giant mountain. And going that way, so there's this way and there's that way. Mountains, Mount Charleston, you cannot see that either. You would have to zoom way in, and it's all smoke. So that is it. All right. Well, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful everything, and perhaps I will see you on another day. And I should have a diamond painting video coming up soon. Okay, bye. Wait a minute. I also took up sewing. So I've been sewing, and I've been sewing project bags, and that will be on this channel also. So I will have diamond painting, cross stitch, and sewing on this channel. And I love it. Okay, bye.
Hey, if you like this video, please give it a like and possibly subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful everything, and perhaps I will see you on another day. Bye.